There is just a lot going on these days. Michele Schneider, Director of Trading Education and Research at Market Gauge, is with us now. Michele, percentage-wise, we have to talk about the NASDAQ. We've seen some big moves up and down. Those are the growth stocks. What are you noticing?
Well, I think that we have gone through like a weekly rotation where growth starts to outperform value, which of course has been going on for years. And then value catches up to growth. And then last week on Friday, when the news about Trump came out, the tech stocks went down while the rotation went into more of the inside sectors, the small caps, biotechnology, retail, transportation, almost like it was starting to price in a Biden win. So the market's going to be extremely speculative and volatile at this point. Obviously, with Biden ahead in the polls, it may mean nothing in terms of what happens for the overall election. But the market right now is showing that if they think, or it thinks in its thinking way through speculation, Biden turns out to be the winner, that some of the larger corporations, which tech is certainly in, might get taxed, which would cut into their bottom line profits, but yet some of the more U.S. manufacturing sectors and some of the other lagging ones like transportations could get a boost from that. And that's, I think, what we're seeing right now.
What else are you watching?
Well, I've been very heavily watching the biotech space. I was expecting it to explode, and then it was starting to until Friday happened. And then, of course, everything had some trouble, but except for the small caps, as I said. So I'm really watching right now biotech because there's a lot at stake here with some of those companies that are working on vaccines or dealing with symptoms. Of course, the news about Regeneron sent that stock flying early in the week. So I want to see if that sustains, because I do believe from a psychological standpoint, if the market really believes that the virus can be dealt with symptomatically and the death rate doesn't go up, that's not only going to be reflected in biotech, but it will actually be a sigh of relief for the entire market.
Thanks for the Trader Talk, Michele. We'll see you next week.
Thank you, Angie. Great to be here.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.